At this time, we're going to invite Anisha Javaji to perform one of my favorite items of today's repertoire, Okapari Okapari. A famous Annamacharya Kirtana, Okapari Okapari Vayarame. In this song, Annamacharya praises the beauty and charm of Lord Venkateshwara. When the Lord walks gracefully, the camphor on his body sprinkles as the goddess sits on his lap. It seems as if he's covered by moonlight. The glittering ornaments worn by the Lord, joined with the charisma of the goddess, seems like a lightning joins hands with the glitter. While this is the literal translation of the song, Sudhaji's creativity lies in her ability to extrapolate on the interactions between Lord Venkateshwara and goddess Aluvelamanga. Classical dancers refer to Sringara as the mother of all rasas. Sringara gives scope for a myriad of other emotions, including jealousy, fear, anger, compassion, and of course, the expression of physical intimacy. No other rasa has such a vast scope. The dominant rasa in this padam is Sringara. The padam opens with the goddess decorating herself in anticipation of the arrival of the Lord. The portrayal of intimacy between the couple is subtle and refined. The song further elaborates on the line, Jagadekapati, as one who is the Lord of the Lords and Savior to many. In this context, the magnanimity of the Lord in his incarnation as Lord Krishna in protecting Draupadi from disgrace is highlighted. Lord Krishna saves the queen Draupadi in the epic story of Mahabharata when she was put at stake in an unfair gambling game by her 5 husbands, Panchapandavas. Duryodhana weaves a conspiracy to defeat the Pandavas in a deceitful game of dice. Each time the dice is rolled, the stakes are increased. It starts with Dharmaraja waging his kingdom and then his brothers. Wicked Duryodhana crosses all social barriers and persuades Dharmaraja to wage his wife Draupadi. Dharmaraja, very reluctantly to the horror of everybody present, puts Draupadi as a bet for the next round. Having won that stake too, King Duryodhana orders his brother to drag Queen Draupadi from her closed quarters by her hair and bring her to the court. In an emotional appeal to the elders present, Draupadi repeatedly seeks help from them. No one responds to the outrageous orders of the King Duryodhana to his brother Dushasana to strip Draupadi of her sari. In a final attempt to rescue herself from this embarrassment, she resorts to Lord Krishna. A miracle occurs. Henceforward, an unending length of material as a sari to clad her is released by the Lord himself. This padam is set to Ragam Karhapriya, Talam Adi, and composer is again Annamacharya. Anisha Javaji for Okapari Okapari.
I have something to say about this. This is again one of our challenges for Anisha and me. No music, but this whole item was born in the studio with just me singing and a little basic recording that we had. This also highlights the beauty and the Vayaram of Aluvelamanga when she has a beautiful union with her Lord Venkateshwara. Please enjoy Okapari Okapari in Karhapriya Ragam.
పరివయ్యారమై ఒక పరికొక 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 పరివయ్యారమై ముఖమున కళలలో మొలిచినట్లుండే ముఖమున కళలలో మొలిచినట్లుండే ఒక పరి వయారమై ముఖమున కళలలో మొలిచినట్లుండే ఒక పరికొక పరి వయారమై ಜಗದೇಕಪತಿ ಮೇನ ಜಲ್ಲಿನ ಕರ್ಪೂರ ಧೂಳಿ ಜಿಗಿ ಕೊನಿ ನಡುವಾಗ ಚಿಂದಗಾನು ಜಗದೇಕಪತಿ ಮೇನ ಜಲ್ಲಿನ ಕರ್ಪೂರ ಧೂಳಿ ಜಿಗಿ ಕೊನಿ ನಡುವಾಗ ಚಿಂದಗಾನು ಜಗದೇಕಪತಿ పోసినట్లుండే పొగరు వెన్నెల దిగపోసినట్లుండే జగదేక పతిమేన కర్పూరదుడి జిగిగొని నడువగ చిందగాను మోది చంద్రముఖి పురమున నిలిపెగాను మొగరు వెన్నెలదిగ పోసినట్లుడే ఒక పరికొక పరి వయారమై ఒక పరికొక పరి వయారమై ముఖమున కళలో మొలిచినట్లుండే ఒక పరి వయారమై మేరయు శ్రీ వెంకటేశు మేన సింగారముగాను 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 తరసైన సోమలో దరియపగర మేరయు శ్రీ వెంకటేశు మేన సింగారముగాను తరసైన సోమలో దరియపగ మెరుపుతోటి అలమేలు మంగయుతాను మెరుపుతోటి అలమేలు మంగయుతాను మెరుపుతోటి అలమేలు మంగయుతాను మెరుపు మేఘము కూడి మెరసినట్లుండే మెరుపు మేఘము కూడి మెరసినట్లుండే మెరయు శ్రీ వెంకటేశు మేన సింగారముగాను మెరసైన సొంబులు దరియపగ మెరుపుతోటి అలమేలు మంగయుతాను మెరుపు మేఘము కూడి మెరసినట్లుడే ఒక పరికొక పరి వయారమై ఒక పరికొక పరి వయారమై ముఖమున కళలో మొలిచినట్లుడే ఒక పరికొక పరి వయారమై ముఖమున కళలలో మొలిచినట్లుడే ఒక పరికొక పరి వయారమై అలమేలు మగ వెంకటేశ అలమేలు
story about this item. When we were doing the item selection, I came to a crossroads where I didn't know everything. All the rastas are done with Anisha. What should I do more? Shiva, we did this, we did that, we did. And Shamala Garu was, wanted some other songs. And I said, give me a day. And one day I was just riding in my car. Suddenly I had a cassette of my mom. And she was singing this song and I heard it. And I said, okay, I think my selection is done. Fortunately, Anisha happened to be very musical. I said, this is a slow item, Anisha. She said, no, auntie, the ragam is beautiful. I love it. I think I'll enjoy it. And then that's what happened.
And then the rest is history. Did she not add more confusion? See, I told you. Anisha, you have proved your versatility as a dancer, being able to portray the dynamic Shiva, charismatic Venkatramana, and the dainty Aluvel Manga all with equal ease. You have demonstrated a deep connect with your feminine side, and your depiction of Sringara Rasa, celebrating the romantic joy of divine love, was remarkable. Congratulations to the Javaji sisters, an awesome performance so far. At this time, the Javaji family would like to felicitate the orchestra and some key people who have helped them with the event. So Shamla and Kiran Garu, if you can come backstage. We will begin with the orchestra, the remarkably talented Neela Ramanuja. Huh? Sorry. Mridanga Maestro Tumkur Ravi Shankar. Soul of the orchestra, flutist Krishna Prasad. Special effects and embellishments, Arun Kumar. Makeup. The girls look beautiful today. Srimati Kala Gangadhar. Awesome decor, Gauri Chowdhury. Shamla and Kiran Javaji had friends whose kids were already students of Kalanjali and have learnt about Sudha Garu through them. They were pretty much waiting for Anisha to turn 7 in order to enroll her. In fact, Shamla and I together went to meet Sudha the first time. There is a lot we can talk about Sudha and Kalanjali, but here is a brief summary. She began her training in Bharatnatyam and Kathak in Jamshedpur, Bihar, and she completed her Arangetram under the guidance of Srimati Sumati Kaushal. She received diplomas in Kathak and Bharatnatyam fields of dance from Prayag University in Allahabad. During her short stay in Madras, she also received further tutoring from Padma Shri Kalaimamani Adiyar K. Lakshman. She has received advanced training in dance techniques, teaching methodologies, and choreography under Guru Dr. K. Umar Ramarao of Hyderabad. She has had the opportunity to choreograph several beautiful dance dramas such as Padmavati Kalyanam, Sita Swayamvaram, Trinetra, Vandeham Krishna, to name a few. The Kalanjali School of Dance was founded by Sudhasekar Devulapalli in May 1997 and has achieved many milestones since its birth. Kalanjali's motto is Dance with a Purpose and strongly encourages its students to participate in local charity and fundraising events. Today, Sudhaji is proud of her second-generation student teachers who are contributing their time to Kalanjali in training younger students. This year, it has been quite challenging for Sudha to choreograph for sisters that belong to different age groups and, of course, different attitudes. So let us hear from her what she has to say about the sisters and her ups and downs with them. Please put your hands together for Guru Srimati Sudha Devulapalli.
I told Kiran Garu, honestly, I cannot give a speech today. I'm very emotional because this whole Arangetram is so Amma Mayam today for me. Because whatever, like, I was very close to my mother and I really miss her presence a lot. Then I think this is God's wish that I'm keeping her still alive through my students. Every Arangetram, I do one song that she has sung to me or taught to me, or I've heard in her numerous tapes that she has left behind, a wealth of her songs. And I'm very blessed that I have such wonderful parents who always honor my choice. And today, especially after Sangeeta Samraja and Wakapari Kwakapari, I've became so emotional that I told Kiran Garu, I cannot talk, but he said, but Shamla said, late Sudha Garu, we are awaiting for your speech. So, in her memory, if I get emotional, please do not mind. It's a very happy occasion today. This is all Ananda Bhashapal, whatever you call it, or my way of remembering. So, namaskaram and good evening, everyone. Thank you for attending Anisha and Namrata's Arangetram in such large numbers on such a beautiful summer evening. This Arangetram, all this is possible because of the divine blessings of Lord Almighty and the tremendous support and the teaching of all my gurus, my family, my husband Somshekhar, my sons Nikhil, Neeraj, my daughter-in-law Divya, my brother and sister-in-law Usha and Sachin Rai Yaramali, my entire Kalanjali family, my hundreds of daughters who are here helping me, the girls, every minute. And the wonderful support from my orchestra, which is also a part of our family. This is possible only because it is love and grace of Srinivasa. Kiran Garu and Shamla Garu have been a great support to our Kalanjali School of Dance. Kiran Garu is such a humble and warm human being, always lending a helping hand, whether it be assembling a portable closet for me or taking props in his car for our stage shows or doing the lighting, hours of lighting during our recitals. And mind you, everything with that beautiful smile of his. Alage Sudha Garu, I will miss that. Thank you, Sudha Garu. I'll truly miss you, Kiran Garu. And his support can be only possible because he has such a lovely and supportive wife in Shamala. I will miss you both very much. our core team of Nrityamala will miss your support a lot, Kiran and Shamla. Kiran Garu and Shamla, you have two lovely daughters who think the world of you. Anisha has told me so many things about you, Kiran Garu, during our practice session. Yes, their Amma is their idol, but they say that you are also like their mother. Anisha is a diploma holder in Bharatanatyam with distinction from the Samved Conservatory. These exams are not easy because the papers come from India, the theory papers, and the practical exams are conducted by teachers from principals of dance institutes from India, namely Mumbai, Chennai, and Hyderabad. She also is a student teacher at her school and has a great passion to teach. I see that enthusiasm when she consistently teaches for 2 hours on Tuesday from 6 to 8 p.m. batch. I hope some of her students are here. If you're here, please raise your hands. Oh, nice. She has even till last week, she was helping me with the classes because I was so busy taking practices for the other Arangetrams. I may be right or wrong, I do not know, but I find she's a good addition of her father. Patient, always smiling and helpful. God bless you. Anisha, she has worked very hard this past 1 year to do this Arangetram. It was her dream to present her debut with a lot of energy, enthusiasm, and perfection. And also, I noticed that Anisha has a good year to music based on the selection of her items like Vakapari or Samagana Priye or Sriman Narayana. These items are rarely done, and in fact, Okapari Korikapari was the first time for me. We took this challenge to create it, and I hope it has come up to all your expectations. Of course, the final shape came through during orchestra rehearsal. I'm sure her Sriman Narayana must have plucked many heartstrings to make you all go through an emotional human experience called the Rasanubhuti. I'm proud of you, Anisha, for the honesty and discipline you have displayed during your training. I wish it was there from day one. You would have been even super duper. See, Auntie gave you the cake and took it back. It is not easy for two people, especially from the same family, to perform, in particular when they are 4 to 5 years apart. They are at different levels of maturity, physically and mentally. And that was the challenge the Javaji sisters had to face. Yet they took it upon their stride, worked very hard, sometimes created little trouble for me by arguing with each other. But today they had a mysterious, amazing chemistry and poured their love for each other on the stage. Okay, I think let me honor Anisha and God, how can I forget my Namu baby? See, our Namu baby is already worried that Auntie may conclude her talk or speech without talking about her. You have to wait, Tali. Timid, very, very quiet, very particular about understanding each and everything. Every lesson has to be taught to her with utmost detail. having low confidence was our Namrata a year ago. In fact, I was initially very reluctant to join her for the Arangetram. But then, I had to understand Kiran and Shamla's dilemma. I trusted God and Namrata, and today it makes me so proud to see her perform so well her solos and duets with her sister. She really put me to task with her keen sense to learn everything in detail and perfection. Yes, she has worked very hard to match foot by foot with her Anisha. Namrata, you must be so glad. No more hearing Nammu, Nammu every time you would make a mistake from Akka, right? That Jatiswaram was very hard one, and it was a new one, but both sisters, especially Namrata, displayed brilliant tala sense and grip and nailed it so well today. God bless you. And as the orchestra... So, Namrata, this is not the end for both of you. You have a vast ocean. You have still 4 more years where you can really bloom and blossom and become one of the best dancers that Kalanjali will produce or will have the happiness to present. So with this, I read this plaque. See, I didn't read Akka's plaque. I'm reading your plaque. Kalanjali School of Dance presents this Merit Award to Namrata Javaji on the occasion of her Arangetram, July 15th, 2018, for successfully completing the Bharatanatyam course with hard work, discipline and dedication. Sudha Shekhar Devalapalli, Artistic Director. The same matter is there for Anisha also. All the best to you, Anisha, and hope to see you back at Kalanjali, and one day, and I will surely come one day for your services when you become Dr. A. Javaji. And then we will again exchange our gossips and my woes. This past 1 year, you have been like a friend and a daughter, hearing me out so patiently during Wednesday 9 p.m. class. Namrata, uncle, and I wish you the very best as you embark on a high school journey. Work very hard so that you can gather more awards than Akka. Hey, you have to complete your diploma, so auntie is not yet from your daily routine. Both of you, share this art form and use it purposefully. Use it as a spiritual expression of your soul. God bless you. Thank you. And Sapna, last but not the least, you rocked as usual. I wonder if the MC next week will be able to match your talent for your daughter's Arangetram. On behalf of Madhiraju, I'm inviting you all. Please come and attend both my nieces' Arangetram.